Good day. Okay, in this lesson, you will learn Microsoft Excel formulas and functions. Now, what are formulas? How can we make formulas? And how can we use functions in Microsoft Excel? So, the unique feature of an MS Excel spreadsheet program is that it allows you to create mathematical formulas and execute functions. Moreover, if any number used in the formula changes, the entire spreadsheet is automatically updated. So hence you will learn how to add, how to divide, how to multiply, and how to subtract by typing formulas in the Excel spreadsheet. So a formula is generally made up of an operand and an operator. The MS Excel formula, however, can be a set of values, cell reference, functions, given with or without an operator. Any formula can be created in Excel. They are entered on the worksheet cell and must begin with an equal sign. So any formula in Excel must begin with an equal sign. The calculation executes immediately and the formula itself is visible in the formula bar. So let's look at the Microsoft Excel. Let's say this is a sample student grades. So you can see that here is the formula bar, okay? You can see if I press equal, if I want to make a formula here in cell address H and then row 6. You can see H, which is the column, and then row 6. So I want to make a formula here, you can see equal. So every time I type something here, let's say I am doing a formula, you can see here at the formula bar. You can see here automatically at the formula bar. So here is the formula bar. As you can see, when I am doing a formula, you can see here automatically at the formula bar. So here is how we can use formula in Excel. We need to start with equal sign. Again, every formula in Excel should start with equal sign. And then if I want to add this score 115 plus another score 215 plus, you need to type the operator plus, operand plus, and then another score 3. And after you finish doing your, if you want to add these 3 numbers, score 1, score 2, and score 3, you can do that by typing equal and then the cell address. You can see the cell address has been taken E6, which means letter E, and then column number 6. So that is this one, letter E, column numbers, row number 6. Column E, row number 6. So this is number 15. The next one is F6. So F, letter F, and then column number 6. So the number is 15 plus letter G, which is this one, letter G, and then column number, row number 6, which is also 15. And once you press enter, when you press enter, you will see the result. You can see that Microsoft Excel add the score 1 from E6, F6, and G6. You can see E6 plus F6 plus G6. So this is how you can make a simple formula or a simple addition in Microsoft Excel. How about if I want to concatenate? I want the first name and the last name together and put here in the full name. So I want the Atiwood and Jones to be joined together in the full name. So how can we do that? So using this, wait a moment, using this special case characters called concatenation of string. What do you mean by concatenation of string? So we will join the two strings together. We will join the two strings together using this operator, ampersand, the AND operator. We can join two strings together. Now let's do this in Microsoft Excel. As you can see here, in this example, you can see click is on the column A and then row 1. And then start is on the column B and then row 1. So you can see here, there is a formula here, equal, and then A1, which is equal to click, and then we can concatenate by adding this ampersand operator, and then followed by another word which means start B1, so which means click start. So you can see they concatenate, they join click and start together in cell address C1. You can see click start. Now let's do this in Microsoft. In our example here, we need to join Atiwood and Jones. So how can we do that? Again, a formula should start with equal sign. So we need to start by typing equal and then the string that you want to join. Let's say the first name, I want Atiwood and Jones together in full name. So Atiwood, which is B6, letter column B, letters row 6, column B, row 6. That is what we call B6. Now I want to join Jones. So you can type the ampersand and then Jones, which means column C, row number 6, which means C6. So if I enter this, so you can see it will join the Atiwood and Jones together in full name. Okay, but the problem here is there is no spaces between Atiwood and Jones, because this is the first name and the last name, so that we have one spaces here. So how can we make this? How can we do one spaces? So after Atiwood, you can see after Atiwood, we need to add a space before Jones. So here in our formula, we will add another space here using, again, the ampersand, and then we need to add this space double quote here, one space, and then double quote. So now we have a space, we add one space using the ampersand operator. This is a space in Microsoft Excel. This is equivalent of one space in Microsoft Excel. So when I enter this, if I enter, you can see that there is a space now. There is one space that Excel provide using this ampersand operator. We can add spaces here before the last name Jones. You can see this again, this double quotes space and then double quotes is equal to space in Microsoft Excel. Okay, and this is how we can concatenate two strings together in Excel. Okay, another example. Okay, again, I will concatenate. I will join Warafron and Martin. Again, equal sign. And then I want to join Warafron. And then I want to have a space, ampersand, and then double quote. One space, and then double quotes, double quotation marks. And then the ampersand to join the Martin. You can see, when I click Martin, you can see the cell address C, column C, and then row number 7 has been taken by Microsoft Excel. And once I press enter, so you can see Warafron Martin has been joined together in full name. This is how you can concatenate two strings together in Microsoft Excel. Hopefully you learned something about how to join two strings and how you can start doing formula in Microsoft Excel. Thank you and see you again in our next lesson. Bye-bye.